Number 10, Tsushima no Gargantia 2014. The story begins in the distant future in the far reaches of the galaxy. The Human Galactic Alliance has been constantly fighting for its survival against a Gortishik race of being called Hidesius. During an intense battle, the young Lieutenant Red and his humanoid mobile weapon Chamber are swallowed up into a distortion of time and space. Working from his artificially induced hibernation, Red realizes that he has arrived on Earth, the planet on the lost frontier. On this planet that was completely flooded by the seas, people live in fleet of giant ships, salvaging relics from the seas depth in order to survive. Red arrives on one of the fleets called Gargantia. With no knowledge of the planet's history or culture, he is forced to live alongside Emma, a 15-year-old girl who serves as a messenger aboard the Gargantia fleet. To Red, who has lived a life where he knows nothing but fighting, these days of peace continue to surprise him. Number 9, Trickster 2016. Kogoro Akechi is the founder of a private investigation firm known as Boy Detective Club. Together, this group takes on cases both great and small. One of their junior member, Kensuke Hanaski, is out solving a case one day when he happens upon Yasuo Kayabashi, a mysterious amnestic boy with an inability to die. After seeing his ability in action, Kensuke offers Yasuo a deal: join the Boy Detective Club and help them solve cases, and in exchange, he will find a way to help Yasuo die. The apathetic Yasuo accepts this deal, unaware of how different his life will become. Although he does not have much use for people, he gradually begins to acknowledge this group as he spends more time with them while solving case. Number 8, Kisnivers 2016. Kazuhira Agata is a quiet and reserved teenage boy whose sense of pain has all but vanished. His friend Chidori Takashiro can only faintly remember the days before Kazuhira had undergone this profound change. Now his muffled and complacent demeanor make Katsura a constant target for bullies who exploit him for an egregious sum of money. But their fist only just manage to make him blink, as even emotions are far from his grasp. However, one day Kazuhira, Chidori and 4 other teenagers are abducted and forced to join the Kizuna system as official Kisnivers. Those taking part are connected through pain. If one member is injured, the others will feel an equal amount of agony. These individuals must become the lab rats and scapegoat of an incomplete system designed with world peace in mind. With their fates literally intertwined, the Kisnivers must expose their true selves to each other or risk falling much more than the Kizuna system. Number 7, Psychic Kuso no Saisan 2019. To the average person, psychic abilities might seem be blessing. For Kuso Saiki, however, this could not be further from the truth. Gifted with a wide assortment of supernatural abilities ranging from telepathy to X-ray vision, he finds this so-called blessing to be nothing but a curse. As all the inconvenience his power cost constantly piles up, all Kusho aims for an ordinary, hassle-free life, a life where ignorance is bliss. Unfortunately, the life of a psychic is far from quiet, though Kuso tries to stay out of his spotlight by keeping his powers a secret from his classmate. He ends up inadvertently attracting the attention of many odd characters, such as the empty-headed Riki Nendo and the delusional Sun Koido. Forced to deal with the craziness of the people around him, Kusho comes to learn that the ordinary life he has been striving for is a lot more difficult to achieve than he expected. Number 6, Genkyo no Terror 2014. Painted in red, the word "Won" is all that is left behind after a terrorist attack on a nuclear faculty in Japan. The government is shattered by their inability to act, and the police are left frankly searching for ways to crack down the perpetrators. The public are clueless until 6 months later a strange video makes its way into the internet. In it, 2 teenage boys who identify themselves only as Phoenix directly challenge the police, threatening to cause destruction and mayhem across Tokyo. Unable to stop the mass panic quickly spreading throughout the city and desperate for any leads in the investigation, the police struggle to act effectively against these terrorists, with the detective Kenjiro Shibazaki catch in the middle of it all. Number 5, Zaragoto series 2016. Due to a mysterious disease, the genius Ida Akagami has been forced by her family to stay in a mansion on the isolated wet Crossfeather Island with only a handful of maids. To keep herself entertained, Iria invites a variety of fellow geniuses to stay as guests in her home, including computer savant Tomo Kunagisha, and her unnamed assistant, skilled fortune teller Maki Himena, famous artist Kanami Ibuki, academic scholar Akane Sonayama, and renowned cook Yai Shashiruna. These visits progress as normal until one of the guests is found generously murdered in the night without a single clue as to identify the killer or a possible motive. Tension rises between those on the island as the killer remains at large, and Tomo's assistant takes it upon himself to uncover the culprit's identity before the murderous event progresses any further. Number 4. Graciano Kajishu 2014. Yuji Kazami is a transfer student who has just been admitted into Mihama Academy. He wants to live an ordinary high school life, but this dream of his may not come true anytime soon, as Mihama Academy is quite the opposite, consisting of only principal and 5 other students, all of whom are girls. Yuji becomes acquainted with each of them, discovering more about their personalities as socialization is inevitable. Slowly he begins to learn about the truth behind a small group of students occupy the academy. They each have their own share of traumatic experiences which are tucked away from the world. Mihama Academy acts as home for these girls. They are the fruit which fell from their trees and have begun to decay. It is up to Yuji to become the catalyst to save them from themselves. But how can he save another when he cannot even save himself? Black Cat 2005. Train Hartnett is known as the Black Cat for his quick reaction to attacks, and he is titled as the number 13 as member of secret society Kronos. He is an unbeatable master gunman, a cold and unfeeling killer until he meets Saya, a bounty hunter or swiper. She teaches him the value of human life and that one should live in order to repent for one mistake rather than die because of them. Through her, Train learns to love and care for other people as he too becomes a sweeper and travels with his partner Sivan and the mysterious girl Eve. Number 2. Darker Than Black 2010. It has been 10 years since Heaven's Gate appeared in South America and Hell Gate appears in Japan, dwelling the once familiar night sky with an oppressive skyscape. Their purpose is unknown. These gates are spaces in which the very laws of physics are ignored. With the appearance of the gate emerged contractors, who in exchange for their humanity are granted supernatural abilities. In the Japanese cities surrounding Hellgate, Section 4, Chief Misaki Kiriha finds herself at odds with an infamous contractor codenamed Hei, called Black Reaper. In the underground world, Hei, like his associates, undertake mission for the mysterious and ruthless syndicate while slowly peeling back the dark layers covering the nefarious plot that threatens the very existence of contractors. From the mind of Tensai Okumura comes a science fiction thriller taking the form of a subtle expose on a war in which political position and justice have no sway, a war waged exclusively in the shadows. Number 1. Goblin Slayer 2018. Goblins are known for their ferocity, cunning and rapid reproduction, but their reputation as the lowest of monsters, causing their threat to be overlooked, raiding rural civilization to kidnap female of other species for breeding. These village creatures are free to continue their onslaught as adventurers turn a blind eye on them, favor for more rewarding assignment with larger boundaries. To commemorate her first day as a pro-Xylene rank adventurer, a 15-year-old priestess joins a band of young, enthusiastic rookies to investigate a tribe of goblins responsible for the disappearance of survivor village women. Unprepared and inexperienced, the group soon faces its inevitable demise from an ambush while exploring a cave. With no one else left standing, the terrified priestess accepts her fate until the Goblin Slayer unexpectedly appears to not only rescue her with little effort but destroy the entire goblin nest. As a holder of the prestigious silver rank, the Goblin Slayer allows her to accompany him as he assists the Adventurer Guild in all goblin-related matters. Together with the priestess, high elf, dwarf and lizard man, the armor warrior will not rest until every single goblin in the frontier lands has been eradicated for good. I hope friends all of you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video then please show your love by likes and comments. And I'm uploading video daily, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.